Let's get to cooking. I got something in the kitchen. I got something good and nourishing that I like to share with you. Let's get to cooking.
Good old hippie fries. That's the funnel. Carrots, celery.
Let's get to cooking. I got something in the kitchen. I got something good and nourishing that I like to share with you.
Crispy Brussels. So the mussels have gone in. We're gonna let these cook and steam. This nice veggie broth with all these great vegetables. Yummy. Crispy fries are ready. Mussels. Let's get this served up. Okay, we have our mussels. I'm gonna serve them up with some crispy Brussels sprouts on top. Jalapeno and parsley. This is my Brussels with mussels. Jalapeno, parsley, and bon appetit. Yummy Brussels with mussels. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, they look really good. Oh my gosh. This is good. I love it. Crispy Brussels and mussels. Let's get to cooking.